What's up, guys? So today I'm going to try and spin my fidget spinner really fast. The last video I did with fidget spinners went really well. It has like over 450 views right now, and so that's doing really good. That's like by far my most viewed video. And I can already spin it really fast with my finger, but I've seen these guys doing it on YouTube with like an air compressor. And literally, they do it so fast with an air compressor that they can blow up and just fall apart. Today I was watching a video, fidget spinner tricks, and this guy showed that you could use a blow dryer, hair dryer, to spin it really fast too. So I was like, I'm gonna try that. Let's see. So yeah, let's see how fast it does get. All right, now we're gonna see how fast it really does go. Nah. Alright guys, so I think maybe if you have like a really high powered blow dryer, you can spin it way faster with your finger. Way faster. This only goes as fast as your finger for a couple seconds, then slows back down, and it gets really hot with your hand out there. So it's like, I don't think it works very well. I can spin it really fast with my finger already, so, and it makes the fidget spinner hot to where it wants to like fall apart. So, yeah. I don't think a blow dryer really works for me since I can already spin it really fast with my finger. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Drop a like, subscribe down below. Peace out, riders.